Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Vans Filmore Decon, and this is the navy color Vans. Now Vans was founded in 1966 in California, and Vans is known for its skateboarding heritage, and this version of Vans is replicated from the classic silhouette Vans. However, this is made much more sleeker and it's deconstructed to be lightweight and comfortable. So this is the box. On the side of your box, you should see all your information pertaining to your specific size and your color. So that's what your box should look like from all angles. And let's unwrap the box, and this is the Filmore Decon navy color Vans, guys. Looks very sleek, very comfortable, has a good weight to it. You could feel that it's made of very good quality. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. So it has a very iconic look to it. It's moved away from the classic silhouette Vans and it's embraced its new classic sleek look. So it is suede. It's made of suede material, this Vans. The soles are cool white with a black trimming or navy trimming running around it, and it has a good weight to it. It feels very strong, not flimsy at all, and as you can see, very sturdy. The fabric feels very strong, and that's how the toe cap is made. It has a white line that runs across on both sides. You can see the curbings of the shoe that's stitched in, perfect stitching around the back. This is a very classic cool shoe, guys, and it can be worn with various different outfits. On the tongue of the shoe you have Vans encrypted there, the Vans logo. Those are your lace studs. You have 6 lace studs on the shoe. And this is with the white laces. You can see the front cuppings. There's your black or your navy trimming around it. You can see your Vans logo at the back. It has a rigid logo to it at the back. It's not flat. Inside you have your Vans logo there. And inside you have your Vans strip as well. There are a lot of fakes of the shoe out there, guys, so take note of all of the important plot points that I've mentioned to you. Underneath you can see the gum soles. It has different shapes on it to give your feet maximum comfort. And that's your navy Filmore Decon Vans, guys. Very cool. Definitely suggest you buy them.